thing twice. Okay, start recording. There it is. It's recording. Okay.
Major Order 1. The automaton jet brigade factories on Chort Bay have been destroyed. The automatons no longer possess the means to rebuild the aerial marauders that destroyed so many lives. Many lives have been saved this day. Well done, Helldivers. Mission report over.
Okay.
So now you get to actually see what the jet brigade is actually really about. Because I think you saw maybe like two of those guys when we were destroying their factories. Like they were very, very sparse. So it's very weird. But now you'll actually see them.
Yay.
Too loud.
What?
Yep.
What? Hello?
This time on Helldivers, Elyashana doesn't near their terrible voice. Why? Because I'm just cringe like that.
Go now, and fear the shadow of
Oh?
neither death
Hello?
nor tyranny, but justice is your
No, sorry, I was turning down the volume because it was really hard to hear you.
Oh.
Allied destroyer joining squadron.
And I was like, oh, this is not working. So, the bottom part of their carriage.
Oh, damn, we're
where
jammed.
the jammer? Okay, we
I'm
got
gonna, I'm gonna just run out of range of the jammer.
Well, there's one right here, so I'm just gonna grab this real quick. Oh, yep, here's the jet brigade. Hi, guys. So be careful because they will jetpack towards you and then they'll just explode.
Oh. That's fun.
Yeah, they have like little mines on their back, so be prepared. Oh, I see a Hulk. Hello, buddy.
Yeah, I see him too. Oh. Okay.
It's funny, right when I was about to take that shot, I saw you shoot him, and I was like, oh, well, that was kind of a race over
Ow,
rocket.
ow, 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 ow.
Oh, jet brigade. Oh, God. Oh, I'm carrying something dangerous. No, let it go before it gets blown up in my face. The good thing is now that the DSS is actually working properly, people who don't even need samples are not going to be collecting samples. Because now that they can donate the samples, now they're going to be collecting more.
Oh, do people sometimes not collect samples because they?
If they have everything, then yeah.
Aw.
It's actually very common for people who have everything unlocked to not grab it.
Lame.
Or they'll look for it, they'll just kind of like grab here and there. That's it.
Yeah. Okay, Hellbomb's armed. Don't go up
Oh,
there.
I'm not even with you guys. I'm at the objective, so.
Okay, I just want to make sure you weren't like running up there.
Oh no, you guys are good. Oh no, is that a? Oh, that is a that's a turret right there. Hello.
requesting advanced weaponry.
Shit. Oh, so I took someone to
I
met this
saw
guy
that
called
explosion. Sorry, what?
I met this guy that was called Black Thunder, and it was him and this other like newish character or newish player, and we were doing pretty good. But then I was just like getting a little cocky, and I was like, oh, we should like, oh, is this trivial? And they were like playing on like
Calling in an orbital strike.
on difficulty 7. I was like, oh, this is trivial, and they're like, oh, you want to make it harder? I'm like, yeah, let's go all the way to 10. I'm like, 10? Yeah.
They suggested
So-
10?
Yeah. No, I went to 10.
Oh.
And, so we went to 10, and the newest guy, he was like, oh, I've never been on this difficulty. I'm like, oh, you're gonna have fun. Let's just say that we were all like talking and banter and having fun, like on the lower levels, but then they got oddly quiet. Don't kill me. But yeah, they got oddly quiet because they were focusing so much.
Oh, yeah.
Black Thunder was the only one that was like had mics on, and it was really funny because he was like panicking and he was like, "What the shit?"
Calling in a hell bomb.
And then after like the 4th mission, he was like, "Dude, I love this." And I was like, "Yeah, it's fun. It's just that it's really hectic, especially against the boss because it's just constant bot drops." But we did pretty good. I mean, we died a few. Well, they died a few times. And it's funny, one of the guys was like, "Oh, dude, I'm so mentally exhausted now." I think I took you. I think you and me did a couple.
Yeah, I know I've done at least one level 10 difficulty
Yeah.
with you before.
When I'm on, like, when I'm actually like, what's it called, like on my game, then yeah, I'll do good. But if it's just a bad night, then it just won't do well, or I won't do well. Then it's just I'm constantly dying. Yeah, I'm not that good yet. Hopefully, I landed that. I might have been too. Run, oh, for a run. Did I line that close enough? Yep, I did. Okay. Aw, man, this is a fire tornado planet? Oh, no.
Yeah, you're just now noticing that.
Oh, no.
Okay, well.
I didn't notice it.
But hey, at least it's not acid rain.
I think I prefer the acid rain.
Hell bomb armed.
At least the tornadoes aren't no longer, like, literally after us anymore. I think I've told you that before, yeah, where, like, for some reason it felt like they were, like, literally after us.
Requesting air support.
But now they're just kind of, like, normal.
Sample collected.
I think they're not like, out to get us. Oh, come on,
Dang it.
just...
Oh, there's a Strider. Did you get it?
I don't know. I probably did, but I'm not sure if I killed
I
it.
can't even tell what's happening over there. Just, I don't see it. I think you did get the Strider. Okay, did we still haven't gotten everything here. Oh, it's over here. 04 got it.
Got a sample.
No, you didn't.
What? No.
You got it.
Well, we'll see.
I can save a rocket thing.
Oh, I got the wrong grenades for this. I don't got it. I forgot to switch out my grenades.
Fine, I guess I'll use a rocket.
Sorry, I've got my incendiary
I'll take
impact
it.
grenades instead of my just normal grenade.
Okay, I think we got it. Let's move in. Let's move in. Ooh, my turrets are putting in some work.
Getting lots of kills.
Oh yeah, they did some work.
Oh, we've got dropships over there.
Yep, and I just threw a 500 kg over there.
I should have put my rocket sentry over there then, I guess, but well, too late now.
Okay. Is that a tank? Yes, it is. Ah, I think I missed. Did I get it? I got shot, and I think I
I
might.
think it's dead.
Okay. Oh, okay. He's got the anti-tank position health emplacement. There we go. That's a fire generator right there. Oh my god.
Yeah, it just set the entire landing pad on fire.
Okay, stem run.
Are you gonna set the timer? Oh god.
Just hit the stem and just go in.
Yeah, except
Just hit a stem, you'll be fine. Hit a stem.
I did do a stim. It's obviously wearing off at the end.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1
Well, that's right. I'm wearing medic armor. It's actually stronger for me. Sorry. I think I got all of it besides like one Warmond, and that's the gassing one.
Launch initiated.
Because well, the gassing ones right now are completely useless.
Not completely useless, just not great.
No one uses them ever.
Welcome back.
I think
This time on Helldivers, we're gonna take out some enemy anti-aircraft.
see that's more your style of
Go now,
introduction.
Helldiver. Let our enemies take no step that is not hindered by the corpse of their comrade.
I don't see a tower, which is a good thing.
Requesting tac pack.
I guess I said anti-aircraft. It probably is more anti-orbital, whatever.
No, but I don't see like any like those jammers.
Yeah, no, I know.
Ew. Okay, we're getting rid of that first.
What?
We're getting rid of that
Oh.
first.
Yeah. Good idea. Well, there's this base right next to it.
Well, I know how to take care of this base, so we just kind of, we'll just
Oh,
leave this. There you go. Have that. Have fun. That should destroy most of the base, if not just completely destroy it.
bot drop detected. Oh.
Yeah, I mean they're going to be going towards that laser. Nice shot.
Thank you. Oh, tank. No, they're dropping in over here. Tank incoming.
But oh my!
I got him. Yeah, no, it's
Thank you.
yeah.
Oh, that's a flamethrower.
Yep. I'm dropping in a laser.
Requesting orbital.
So watch out for lasers.
Well, I'm trying to keep them off the Hellmon that I just said.
Oh, did you arm it?
Oh my god, that's a lot of... No, not yet.
Oh.
I was defending it.
Oh, okay.
Okay, first one's armed. I have a hard time getting bows with one Hellmon. I know you can, it's just that I'm terrible at it. Like, you gotta aim it, just like, put it just right.
Get good, scrub.
Then you place it on a double next time.
I tried one time at your direction. I failed.
Seeing it's my fault.
Yep.
We got a patrol to our left.
Allied destroyer joining squadron, deploying Helldiver.
Not sure if they fully saw me.
They seem to
But
be
they might have
looking in
just
your general direction, or yeah, they saw.
Well, I mean,
well, they saw
the-
C4.
Yeah, no, the other guy.
Yeah.
So they just pissed off. They just pissed them off.
Yeah.
Oh, Jesus. Oh, I can get all three of these bases right here. That's one. There's something behind us. I just saw red lights.
Oh, so there is. It's one of those fly guys there. Oh, there's more of them.
I think there's one more base I can't see yet. I thought there was only three.
What is that? Oh, it's one of those things.
Ah, he's behind the rock. I can't. Ooh, rockets. You know you can just shoot the rocket and their rocket captures off.
Oh, can you?
Warning, you are
Yep.
in range of enemy artillery.
We're in
There's some
range of enemy
patrol.
artillery, in case you were wondering. Oh, there's a whole.
Warning, you are
Oh,
in range
well, that'll
of
do it.
enemy artillery.
That was beautiful.
That
to
was
watch.
a perfect throw.
It was. That was.
Warning, you are in range of
Jeez,
enemy
I
artillery.
hate that how Hulks can be freaking sneaky. Like, I literally just turn a corner and he's right there. Yes. Thank you for the warning. I just don't There's another hole. I only have one rocket left.
I got him.
Nice.
Outpost clear. Warning, you are in range of enemy
Outpost is
artillery.
still not clear. Where is the last fabricator? Oh, there it is.
I need to talk more so that it's not so boring.
And it's not just me.
Yeah, it's not just you. It's really, it's my channel, but it's really your show at this point.
My show.
Well, I mean, you're basically the one.
Oh, boy. We'll go to the right, the closest main objective.
Okay.
I'm gonna save a lasers. I'm gonna just throw a laser in there and give us backup while we run in there.
You're gonna do it, or I should?
I'll throw one in,
Okay.
and then you can throw in the next one.
Okay.
Okay, and all right, let's get in there. Hopefully, it will somewhat clear the path for us. It's doing good so far. Well, I think it's clear all the way. Can you get that fabricator?
I'm not sure which one you mean, but
The one I just marked.
oh, all the way up there. Okay. Get up there. Oh well. Oh, that was a completely failed attempt at getting up there.
Might want to run first. Never mind. Or run.
Okay. What if I just slide?
Can you get that one?
Oh, that one down there. Okay. Oh, you got incoming.
Ow!
You okay? No, you're not okay.
Oh, damn it!
Calling
should
in
have-
reinforcements.
I should have gone to the ground to put out the fire first instead of using a stem.
I got that one. Ow, ow, ow. Hey, I was already on the ground.
Calling in reinforcements.
No, you weren't, technically.
Fair enough. Oh. Okay, well.
Well, I just saw that it was a very small red circle. I was like, oh, it's probably this thing. It's probably just a single one, so I said, ah, fuck it, I'll just use a rocket. So toss a laser in there.
Okay.
Not right now. You're a little too far. Where are you? I know you're hiding behind that stupid flag. There you
Oh,
are.
hello.
Oh. The good thing about the Jet Brigade is that if you shoot one that's kind of clustered, they do kind of just all blow up.
Watch out for that Hulk.
Yeah, I'm gonna just grenade him.
I got him.
Never
Whoa,
mind,
there's
never
a flaming tornado right next to me.
Alright, throw our laser inside.
Okay, hold on. Did it. Okay, where is inside? It's over.
Oh, we can enter from that direction. Okay, let's get in there. Oh, that's a mine.
That's a rare sample.
Okay, covering fire behind you.
Thank you.
Oh, your
Which way are we
laser
going?
dropped.
I guess we're going this way? Okay. Wait, this
Not
doesn't seem
sure.
to be getting further in. I think we need to go the other way.
Yeah, I think you're right. Oh, maybe I can climb this? Nope.
Yeah, in fact, I can see it right over here. So.
Well, I might have found I think I might have found a different entrance.
Stratagem available.
Calling in a hell bomb.
Aiming at an eagle.
Oh,
Oh,
that killed me fast.
oh. Ow.
Reinforcing.
Sorry, it's not exactly to where you were, but
Yeah, it's okay. I can get over there.
Joining the fray.
I'm much more maneuverable now. I'm gonna pick up my stuff before I arm the hell bomb, just so that I have it.
I got
Okay,
the
I'm arming the hell bomb.
I don't think that's is that all the.
It's armed.
Yeah, that's all the.
Run.
That's all the bases. It's no longer red here.
Jump back.
So yeah, we'll meet up with C4 and T3.
Democracy has been well delivered.
It's funny that we haven't called in the resupply once. They might have, but I know we haven't.
Well, we both died once. That was kind of a resupply.
Extraction is available.
Yeah. And then I restocked myself with rockets just by calling down a new one. So
Okay, well,
let's have nice samples as well. Might as well. Oop.
Throwing grenade.
Oh, come on. Oh, I was using the.
y'all made it
These are
way
the
too easy for me to do that. Of course, now I'm stuck in the base till my jetpack recharges. And I'm out of here.
Grenade, jump back.
Yeah, because you have a. Oh my god.
Oh, there's a patrol over there.
Requesting orbital.
I'm just gonna toss that right there.
Requesting air support.
Looks like you guys have some friends over there. They noticed me.
Drop
To
ship.
the sky.
Oh yeah, we got plenty friends.
Okay.
Requesting sentry.
Extraction request confirmed. Shuttle inbound.
Oh god, jet brigades are just all over the place.
Oh. Whoa. Ooh.
You will never destroy
Oops.
our way of life. Going down for weapons.
Okay, gosh. Ah.
ETA T-minus 1 minute 30 seconds.
What is that? What's the target down there for?
Oh, it's probably someone that they saw. I think they just killed it.
Okay. Phew. Well, that was fun.
That wasn't too bad.
I'm gonna just drop my last orbital laser over there. 'Cause there seems to be a lot of stuff over there. Ow.
Engaging orbital laser. ETA T-minus 1 minute.
I'm gonna go for the high ground. It's over, Anakin! I have the high ground! Oh hey, look, a free laser turret. A free laser turret. Nice. Pointing in this direction, too.
Well, is that a? Are you seeing an explosion in the air
Heavy. East. 100 meters.
to the?
I'm busy in a turret,
ETA
Well, I'm in a
T-minus
turret.
20 seconds.
and I'm fighting all bots, so...
Okay, well I just see see an explosion in the air that's just,
ETA T-minus 10 seconds.
I don't know, looked weird. Yep, looks like it's still there.
Pelican 1 approaching pickup. Pelican 1 landing in
I don't see
progress.
anything else over there. Granted, I can't really see anything because of all the explosions.
Well, it's in the air. It's like above
No, I mean,
ground.
like,
It looks like there's a.
all-
Ooh! Okay, are you coming? You're coming. Okay.
Stand by for takeoff.
Watch, I walk into a mine.
Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
That was nicely timed.
The joke.
You have maintained our way of life.
Oh, so we're getting a ride. I don't know if that's a good idea. It's kind of rocky here.
It's an all-terrain vehicle.
Yeah, but if he hits the rock at the wrong angle, we're gonna go flipping. And I'm usually the one outside.
Womp womp.
Since you can't aim for shit with that machine gun.
Excuse me?
You've complained about the recoil on that machine gun like all the time. So it always came down to me being on.
Oh, I don't remember this. Sounds like some revisionist history.
I just saw it
Today, the
fabricated by
light of
Andy.
liberty will grace the skies
Oh,
of this world.
there's a jammer and there's an Eye of Sauron. You landed us in a great place.
Objective located. Southeast.
Okay, I'm gonna go with T3 to, I guess, get this Eye of Sauron, or else we're gonna just have no chance. C4 is going after the jammer.
Sounds like you guys are having fun over there.
What's that?
Sounds like you guys are having fun over there.
Yeah, it was set on fire. It was great.
Oh, I'm doing fine over here.
Not even sure what you're doing.
Oh, I'm just on bases. I don't know what you guys are doing.
Trying to take out this Eye of Sauron?
And look at that. I already destroyed all the fabricators for you guys.
Oh, good job.
Oh god, a tank landed on me.
Oh, wait, we can't. Oh, we can't take this thing down because we can't. Damn it, we can't call in it. I didn't even think of that.
A tank literally just landed on me and then just drove and killed me.
Well, oh, you need to. I can't call you in. Never mind. Still going okay over there?
I mean, I'm dead.
I know, and I can't do anything about that.
I know, I'm just watching you.
This might be stupid. Just running
Yes,
in
it
here
is.
like this, but you know what?
Get behind them, get behind them.
Get behind what?
The Strider that was in front of you.
Oh,
Engaging terminal.
okay. Something's gonna come up behind me. Oh, nope, nothing did. Interesting.
I don't know if there's a Hulk right there to your right.
I'm not sure what.
Down below.
Oh, yeah, no, I see it.
Calling it out. I got the terminal.
What do I do
Run.
here? Oh,
Hellbomb, he's doing Hellbomb, he's doing Hellbomb, run.
I'm.
Calling down a vehicle.
Get the hell out of there.
Dropship.
And the Navy dudes.
Hellbomb armed. Clear the area.
Calling in reinforcements.
Wait, is the Hellbomb?
Calling down a support weapon.
Oh, okay.
Request approved. Reinforcements on the way.
Requesting advanced
Okay.
weaponry.
Oh, hello.
Ready to liberate.
Okay. You know what? Enough of this. Eat a big orbital laser. Yeah. Okay. Well. That was fun.
No mag. Yeah.
Sending in an eagle.
Where's everybody? Oh.
Found something.
Okay. I'm just gonna go to the extraction site. How's that sound?
Automaton outpost scrapped.
I will take your silence as a yes.
Calling down a sentry. Requesting sentry.
Hello?
Spot outpost.
Oh.
Outpost destroyed.
You're dead.
Reinforcing.
Request approved. Reinforcements have been launched.
Hello.
Oh, hello.
There we go. No, he said you were going towards the evac. I was like, why? And he said, well, since you're not saying anything, I'll just go. I'm like, what? And I try to fix my Discord and I died.
Oh, okay, yeah. I saw you die.
Orbital inbound.
You may proceed to extraction when ready.
Okay.
Calling down a sentry.
So, let's go to that LiDAR station.
Oh, there's a LiDAR what? Oh, there's one way down there. Oh, gosh.
You guys were near it.
Were we?
Yes, you guys were by the. Okay, guys, call in T3. I'm further away than you guys.
I think C4 already did.
But you guys were closer to it because you guys were by the. You guys destroyed the Eye of Sauron and the what's it called?
True.
The jam.
There was a lot going on. I obviously didn't see it.
It's okay. You know, you guys distract them, and I'll go over here. How much time do we got? We got 6
Orbital
minutes.
strike.
Oh, look, it's nice and clear for me. Nice and quiet over here. No one's to bother me.
Yeah, T3 and C4 are causing quite a ruckus.
Well, T3 is trying to get the samples back because he had super samples on him.
Ah, okay, well.
It's so cool. The reason why that you're waiting for the LiDAR to load is because the radar itself is actually going up.
Requesting orbital.
Like I said, like it's unfolding and slowly raising up.
Oh, that's a tank. That's a tank.
I'm on it.
That's a tank. Just rolling right. Oh, there's a guy right on top of me. Where did he come from? He just like Well, so much for stealth.
5 minutes remaining. I repeat, 5 minutes remaining.
Oh, and I ran right into a group of. Oh, things have gone poorly for me now. Oh, things are going bad.
Oh, and look, now we got a whole fire. Well, oh, hi, tank.
Oh gosh. Did you
think
did
it's
it already?
worldwide.
Okay, I'm going to evac.
Yeah, that's where I'm heading. They destroyed everything. Oh, that's a whole
Tagging
group
map.
of people.
Northwest, 200 meters.
Yeah.
That's a whole patrol.
Calling down a sentry.
Well, at
Protect the
least I
sentry.
got one of those little things. I didn't go for any other because
Protect me, sentry.
you need help?
I'm fine. As my character yells for his like life.
Dropping a pin.
Oh yeah,
Southeast,
you got
100
baddies all
meters.
around you.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, I can't do much
Dropping a
for
pin.
you.
Northwest, 100 meters.
Why not?
I was gonna try to guide you, but you got baddies all around you, so just do the best you can.
You're supposed to be a sniper.
What?
Snipe. You're supposed to be a sniper. Snipe for me. Give me cover.
I can't. Let's see if I can't get up on this rock. Well, got up on the rock. Okay. Oh, I see you. Running through the flames.
With a stim on, and then I just put myself out instantly. So.
Sending in an eagle.
TAT minus 10 seconds. Clear landing zone.
Ooh. I feel like the game makes sure that you have fire tornadoes during evac.
Probably.
Oh, someone put it. Did you do that on purpose?
Oh, I was just trying to make sure that I was getting those enemies.
What?
There's enemies.
You dropped an orbital laser on top of me.
No, there was enemies. Okay, go ahead, do it. I like how I just looked down like, okay, just.
Oh gosh.
Oh god, they killed you now.
Reinforcing.
Request approved.
No, am I even gonna get the right one? Was this the right one, or was this the wrong one? I couldn't tell.
Oh, we have. Oh,
I
someone's
probably had
inside already.
samples
Oh,
up
my
there.
God.
Oh, I hope I didn't have any samples up there.
I like how I
Another
killed
victory
you,
for the
like,
right side of history.
just to kill you, and then you get revenge, justifiable revenge, might I add, and the whole team just turns on you. Because I don't think they saw me throw the laser right on you.